What's up? How you doing, man? Welcome back to Making It with Matthews, and it's your boy Travis. And if you see a smile on my face, it's because it's my birthday week coming up, and I'm about to go to Vegas, guys. My wife, my beautiful, awesome wife, she planned this whole extravagant trip for me. They're springing on me. Pack, get some stuff together. We going to Vegas. I got an itinerary. So we just got to the airport, about to grab my stuff and go in, and we coming in back to back to back to back. But guess what? I'm about to take y'all with me. So come on, let's go to Vegas, guys. My first time. I don't know if it's you guys' first time, but let's go. If you see what you like, if you see something I don't know, let's go. Vegas.
For those of you just joining, we do ask that you place your small carry-on items underneath the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on items can be placed in the overhead compartment, and small lightweight items can be placed in the seat pocket. This aircraft does have new larger overhead compartments, so you'll place your bags in.
What's up, man? Welcome back. So we just made it to Charlotte. It was a quick flight. I mean, I fell asleep. I don't know if you guys know, but when I travel, I usually try to stay up all night, so that way I could get all my Z's on the plane. But we made it to Charlotte. I got a few hours before my flight take off. They changed my gate, so now I'm walking to find my gate. But yeah, so far it's just been a pretty basic travel trip. You know, I'm used to this by now, traveling on the plane. So I guess once we link up with everybody else, that's when all the fun and festivities will start. So come on, man, let's walk through the Charlotte airport and find our gate. And let's get head to this Vegas extravaganza for the 40th pop. What's up, guys? How you doing, man? You guys would not believe what just happened. I missed my flight. That's right, man. They changed the gate on me. I was getting something to eat, not even paying attention. I mixed up the boarding time, the departure time. Got to my gate, big board on the screen. The gate is closed. The flight has left. But luckily, we're in North Carolina. It's a major hub. So they put me on another flight 45 minutes later. So I'm only 45 minutes delayed. But I almost spoiled all that hard work that wifey and my friends put in by trying to survive. But like I told wifey, maybe I just wasn't meant to be on that flight, because I still got on my flight. I'm still gonna get to where I'm going, God's willing. So I'm still taking you guys along with the journey. But I had to just step in real quick and let you guys know that I literally almost missed my flight. But let's go, Vegas. What's up? Welcome back. It's your boy Travis, for those of y'all that are new here. And it's my birthday week, and I'm in Las Vegas, man. I'm telling you, it was a little bit of a venture to get here, because I missed my connecting flight. I read it wrong, and they switched my gate, and I thought my departure time was my boarding time. I got there just when they closed the gate, and you know the rules, once they close that door, they're not reopening it. But luckily, they was able to put me in a flight an hour later, so I'm getting it a little bit later, but I made it. It was a long flight, time change, but we ready to turn up. So come, let's go, man. Las Vegas, Travis 40th, Making Matthews. Let's do this. guys, so what's up, man? So this is that Vegas living, man. So I don't know if you guys know, but we legal in Vegas. Not only we outside, but we legal. So I was on my way waiting for my Uber, and my man right here was like, yo, I'm giving free rides to the dispensary, man. You know what I mean? Rest in peace to the big bro. I wish you could be here to experience this with us, man, but we're gonna do it for you, all right? Yo, Vegas 22. Just made it right here. J Dispensary.
Sir,
about to go and got my man right here about to hook us up, man.
I'm in Vegas, man. J Dispensary, you know what I mean?
Alright. What's up, man? It's your boy Travis. If you're new here, welcome back to Making with Matthew. Me and the bro just grabbed some food. You all saw us earlier when we went to the dispensary. So I'm just hanging with my big bro, just me and him in Vegas by ourselves. There's two dudes in Vegas, you know what I mean? Enjoying our food right outside the hotel. This place is called, it would be a Caribbean, Jamaican kind of spot, but there's just food. It ain't nothing Caribbean about this shit. So what's up? Welcome back, man. I know I ain't checked them for a while, but believe me, a whole lot happened. So these guys been out here trying to surprise me, man. So I got about 6 cats in town who came out just for me, man. Like, it's my 40th, and they went through all this trouble of planning, trying to surprise me, all for my 40th, man. Some of my bestest friends, some of my oldest friends, and my brother. You know what I mean? And these people that are with me, man, they're like blood. You know, so we out here in Vegas celebrating my 40th with the guys. So let's go, man. Try to tap in every once in a while. Keep you guys up to date on what's going on. But believe me, if you ain't seen me, it's because we having fun. And that's what this trip is all about, all right? My wife told me before I leave, she said, just have as much fun as you can have, just be safe. All right, so let's do this.
Party done.
Welcome back, and it's day 2. I don't know how much y'all seen yesterday, but we all made it yesterday. All my boys came in to surprise me for my birthday. Man, they was popping out the woodworks, man. We was leaving the room, it was still coming off the elevator. But we had a good night, you know what I mean? We pretty much kept it light. It rained, so we didn't do too much. We kept it in the casino, just watching some games, spending a little bit of money. Hopefully we try to win some. I don't think we did much, but it's the next day, and we out about to have breakfast. We're about to head to this pool party. You guys come with us, man, and celebrate my 40th in Las Vegas with the fellas. All right, let's go. Vegas living, man. Everybody got to hustle, everybody moving. You know, we just going 24/7. We was up to what, like 4 or 5 o'clock last night? You know what I mean? And even though it was late and you could tell the atmosphere kind of went down, people were still just as awake. Some people were just starting their nights, you know? So I don't know for y'all, but it's my first time. Some of y'all first time. Hope you enjoying it. If it's not, then comment below what your first time was like, or just share some of your experiences as I share my experience with you. Alright, so the sun's hot, guys, but we're taking this walk, see what's out here. You know, see the Prada and Louis and Tiffany, Tom Ford, Dolce & Gabbana, and Gucci. So I don't know if you guys know, but we're legalized in Las Vegas. So they got a lot of dispensaries and smoke shops.
everywhere you go, man, you just smell it being lit up. They're blessing the air all the way. So this is one of the spots right here. It's not too far from where we're staying at. It's right on the strip. So yeah, it's called a plug, and everybody's out here living their highlights, you know. All right, man. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So right now we at the pool party, which is kind of lit, but so right now we're trying to secure our spot for tonight to make sure that we right, you know, based on what we see, the crowd's gonna be pretty crazy. Yeah, this one right here, nice. So that's how we do it while we out here in Vegas, man. No matter where we out, we do it top level. Even in the store, man, we got my man out here hooking us up. Top class servers. Vegas 2020.
Down Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to Chattown.
Back in the country, again, we go for the second turn up. Right?
Happy birthday, motherfuckers. Y'all enjoy yourself.
We outside, man. We just finished the club. Concert was pretty good. We waiting forever for that shit, but came through, did his thing. Now we trying to see what's up. Damn near morning, but we ain't ready to go to bed, so. Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back, Making It with Matthew. If you're new here, my name's Travis. If you're not, welcome back again. Well, you guys seen last night, man. We had so much fun. He was in Drai's, and it was nice. We saw the baby live in concert. He was in the VIP overlooking the balcony. And the boys really came through, celebrating my 40th in Las Vegas. So we came back maybe around like 5, got something to eat, whatever was open. We walked the casino floor. And I haven't been to bed yet. Everybody pretty much went to bed, knocked out. I had some energy, so I went to the gym. Got a quick set in because I haven't been doing nothing since we've been here. And finally gonna take it down, man. Everybody starting their day. I'm just about to crash. I'm probably gonna get up, put another pool party up. If we do that, I'll make sure I take you guys with us. Try to check in, make sure I check in with y'all, let y'all see what's going on. And yeah, so far so good, man. You know, celebrating my 40th. So if you want to show me a happy birthday in the comments, let's go right ahead. I appreciate it. And let's go take it down, man. Check back in with y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel. All right, family? Let's do this. Hey guys, what's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, I know I took a while to check back in, but I went to bed. I slept, man. I was tired. Finally woke up, and we was just hungry. Me and the bro, we took a trot. We wanted some nice food, so we walked. Thought it was gonna be a nice chill walk to the Bahama Breeze. So now we're here enjoying some food. And our appetizers, waiting for everything else to come out. And see what's happening for the rest of the day, because we were beat, man. So we ain't got much plans right now. Now we're gonna see what's going on, alright? Alright, stay tuned. Uh-oh.
So here's your pasta. I'm sorry about that.
No, good.
Let me go easy fix up your back.
Ridiculous. I came in with this, but I'm gonna pay for it. I love this place. You just support just to support it. You like Vegas? Definitely you like the city. Yes, gambling. My man gambling all day. They're gonna soon ban him. we've been walking to the hotel almost as long as it took us to walk to get here. Like, please, I feel like I hit 2 blocks already, man.
Please come on.
But shit, at least you guys coming along and walking with us. Dang. Let's go. Seen a curve escalator? No, I'm dead full-blown arch all the way down. Okay. Look, and they go around and come around again. Spiral escalator. To get in?
To get in?
Alright guys, so we just finished eating and we back out on the strip. We're trying to figure out what we're doing for the rest of our night. But it's popping out here, man. It's so live, it's so lit. But you guys can see. Sorry for the footage, I didn't bring the camera with me. So it's much more convenient to record on your phone. Alright? What's up? Welcome back, man. I know I haven't checked in much today, but we just kind of running on fumes right now. It was a perfect amount of days because I'm actually ready to leave. But I've been having a blast. Hope you guys been having a good time with a little bit I've been able to show you because I've really just been in go mode. But today we got up, got some breakfast, went back to the hotel, went to the gym, chilled at the pool, and now we're here trying to get some food. So we at this spot. We needed some good Caribbean food, man. It's Sunday, so you know we need our steamed fish. No matter where we at, we gotta eat that good food. So we right here at Jamaican Vibes. It's off of Tropicana Ave. The boys inside, most of them left this morning too. That was the next thing. Half of the crew, they left this morning, you know what I mean? So we ain't really out here doing nothing. But yeah, come inside, come eat with us, see what's going on, all right? So me and Victor got the same food. His just came out. They said your fish was too big to fit in a plate. That's what I'm talking about. You know, my brother had his oxtail, even though we ain't got no ox in America. All right, guys, that's what fish number. About to do for the unveil. Wow, the musty boy.
Oh, yeah, man.
What's up? Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while since I checked in, but we've been doing so much. Right now it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. It's Monday, August 1st. My birthday week officially started. And flying out. We're waiting outside for the Uber. You guys inside and we're about to get up out of here, alright? Peace out.